Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a sort of DIY wavy bob tutorial, and this is in collaboration with Ali Julia hair. So I just want to let you guys know a little bit of details about the hair that I am rocking. I have the lengths 12-inch frontal, 14, 16, 18 bundles, 3 bundles only, and it's pretty full in my opinion. The curls are popping, honey, and I am so in love with this hair. Like, it's gorgeous. I think I did pretty good for you know, making this bob. I've been really wanting a bob, like a wavy bob, for so long, and I think it's so adorable, so cute, and of course summer friendly, so you won't have to be hot. I received this hair about, back when I got it, it's been a while. I received it, it was pretty fast. It was three or 4 days, and they included, you know, a pair of little eyelashes. I don't know where they are, but I do have the box. Here is the box. They have YouTube, Instagram, and Messenger for social links. I will make sure to link everything below as far as my bundle deal and then some other bundle deals you guys can check out. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'm pretty sure you can do this with any hair, but the hair that I got, it is from them. I also will be doing a review or another styling tutorial with this hair, so stay tuned for that. I'll try to leave it in the description, but yes, thank you guys for watching another video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please give it a big fat thumbs up if you do, and I will see you all in the next video.